Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. DeFi just passed a critical stress test and came out stronger. Following last month's KelpDAO exploit, Aave faced a severe liquidity crunch when whales withdrew millions in stablecoins, pushing borrowing rates to 13 to 14%. But the ecosystem responded decisively. Participants raised over $160 million in relief funding, and rates have now normalized to around 3.86%. No systemic spillover occurred. This proves decentralized finance infrastructure can withstand real pressure without breaking. Bitcoin is trading at $80,829, up sharply on reports of a potential US-Iran peace deal. Oil crashed 12% below $90 per barrel as Iran confirmed safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz. Analysts at CryptoQuant are eyeing $93,000 as the next major target due to an unfilled CME futures gap. Institutional flows remain strong, with Bitcoin ETFs attracting over $467 million on Tuesday alone. Privacy coins are experiencing a massive resurgence. Multicoin Capital announced a significant position in Zcash, which has surged 122% this month and over 1,500% in the past year. Co-founder Tushar Jain argued that as finance moves on-chain, private stores of value become essential protection against government surveillance and asset seizure. Zcash currently trades near $570, with the broader privacy sector rallying on renewed institutional interest. Strategy Inc. dropped a bombshell. The company, holding 818,000 Bitcoin worth approximately $67 billion, is abandoning its 5-year never-sell pledge. CEO Fong Lei stated they'll sell Bitcoin when advantageous to the company, potentially to fund dividends or improve Bitcoin per share metrics. This reversal marks a dramatic shift in corporate treasury strategy after Strategy reported a $12.54 billion net loss in Q1. Institutional adoption is accelerating rapidly. BNY, the world's largest custody bank overseeing $59 trillion in assets, is expanding crypto custody services to Abu Dhabi. Meanwhile, Ondo Finance, JP Morgan, MasterCard, and Ripple completed the first cross-border redemption of tokenized US Treasuries on the XRP Ledger in under 5 seconds. These developments signal that blockchain infrastructure is becoming core financial plumbing, not an experiment. On the regulatory front, the White House is targeting July 4th for passage of the Clarity Act. Digital Assets Advisor Patrick Witt confirmed Senate Banking Committee markup is scheduled for this month. The stablecoin yield compromise between Senators Tillis and Alsobrooks is finalized, though both banks and crypto firms remain unhappy with the middle ground. Solana continues showing strength, trading at $89 after breaking out of an 8-week symmetrical triangle. Analysts see $92 as immediate resistance, with potential to reach $96 if momentum holds. However, network activity remains mixed, with daily active addresses at 4-month lows despite rising social sentiment. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.